got a rusted I-beam again for a time test. Okay, we have the rusted I-beam. We're going to do another 16-inch pass on the rust. Rust is gone. It's the most heavily rusted side of the I-beam. And straight laser time test. Rust is gone. Okay, this is the 2000 watt laser. This is a 16-inch mark from top to bottom. Same 16 inches, other side of the I-beam, a little bit of rust in there. Okay, we'll do the inside edge of the I-beam. There's really not much in there, but we'll run it anyways. Okay, we're going to change the shape of the laser and the size of the laser to get inside this channel rail. Same process, but using a different laser shape. This is the infinity symbol to get in and around the edges. Just so you can see, there's really no rust in there, so laser wasn't doing much, but if it was rusted, we would adjust the power and just ablate the. Back to straight laser just on paint. As you can see, you just, paint's gone, you just brush it away. See that the paint is basically turned to dust. I can wipe it away with my finger. And so that's not a problem at all. Or instead of brushing it away, you just take a second pass at it.